Hi, the updater is hosting here. Today in this video, we are going to unbox the least expensive gamepad or controller for PC and mobile that I got delivered from Flipkart. Come open it. Now let me take it out from the cover. It is wrapped nicely, and let me remove the plaster which is sticked on the cover. Boom! Here is the Quantum HMPL 2-way vibration USB gamepad. Let me unwrap it. And now here is the Quantum gamepad and controller. It has some features. It has 8-way direction buttons. And now let us check it out. The build-up design is made up of plastic, and you can see the buttons over there. And we can hold it comfortably, and it is worth. And it has 1.8 meter wire length and USB port which you can connect it to a PC or a laptop. If you enjoy the video, do subscribe and hit the like button and share it with your friends.
Didn't even get to cross.
I said I'm moving too far.